Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a layer in Adobe Illustrator. So what you have to do first is to make sure you go to Window, and here in Window, when you click here, you have to activate layers, which you'll be able to find right over here, or press F7 on your keyboard. All right. Okay, layers here. If you press F7 again, this will disable layers. And this is where we have layers. And if you want to create a new layer, you have to go down right over here and click on create new layer. And here, right along create a new layer on the left side, we have create new sub layer, which will add a layer in this layer. Okay. And a sublayer is a layer within a layer. Sublayers are utilized to in Illustrator, so you are more organized, so you can manage your project, your artwork. So you create let's say you create a sublayer, and for the eyes of a character, and another sublayer for the nose, and then another one for the mouth, right? And this will allow you to work on each element of the character's face independently without having to worry about affecting the other elements, all right? And this can really help you a lot. And of course, now layers in general in Illustrator are kind of like transparent folders that allow you to organize and edit your artwork non-destructively, when each layer can contain different objects, shapes, text, images. So you can move, scale, rotate, and hide layers independently without affecting the objects on other layers. And now layers are, as I said, are really useful. So it's really important for you to create new layers. Always try for different parts of your artwork. For try to create a new layer. Don't hesitate to create a new layer. Don't avoid to create a new layer, because it's actually really quite simple. And if you want to create a new layer, and if you like to use a shortcut, you can use Control plus L to create a shortcut, or Command plus L on your keyboard, and this will create a blank layer at the top of the layers panel. You can rename the layer and start adding objects to it. So that's really nice.